Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to go over some of the options that we have for replacing the upholstery in your 2000 to 2005 Honda S2000. Alright guys, we have the seats pulled out of our customer's S2000 and the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery is already installed on the passenger seat. This S2000 has about 150,000 miles and the factory red upholstery is in pretty bad shape. We have over 60 colors to choose from, but matching a factory specific color like this can be difficult. After comparing our samples with the seats and door panels, we found that our cardinal is the best option for the factory red. We built this specific kit in single tone cardinal with perforated body and a matching cardinal thread for all of the top stitch seams. Our 2000 through 2005 S2000 kits are actually designed for the original leather to be removed before installation. And as you can see, they utilize all of the necessary hog ring attachments. For those of you do-it-yourselfers, you will need basic hand tools as well as hog rings and hog ring pliers. We also recommend using a clothing or upholstery steamer for optimal fitment. With seats in this condition, foam repair may be required, and in a case like this, we would recommend professional installation. Our upholstery is designed in a way that any local automotive upholstery shop can install it for you. If you're planning on having your kit professionally installed, give us a call and we can see if there's a shop in your area. We built this kit in our premium leather trim content, which gives you leather on the seating surfaces and matching vinyl on the sides and backs. For those of you looking for all leather, we do also offer a 100% leather upgrade. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions on the products we can offer for your vehicle, or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.